All right, coach, 9-0 victory. What's your assessment of the game today?
I mean, apart from the score line, it's always good to get the ball in the back of the net. As you saw, we missed a lot of chances also, which is worrying to me. But we need to be clinical because against better teams, we might not get as much chances as we got today. But more importantly for me is the performance. I saw a lot of what we did on the training ground being executed today, and that is what I look for.
Coming off the bench, I see when I see players coming off the bench, no dip in quality. The game remains the same. How important to have a big bench now and also depth in quality.
What you're seeing is evident of a program that is maturing in terms of we now have a steady supply of talent coming from the under 14 and the under 16 level. So definitely we are getting stronger, we are getting deeper in terms of quality, and it's something that we look to maintain for as long as possible.
Captain Trump up big today in the game and after match performance. What's your assessment of his performance today?
He's a mature player out there as a captain, so definitely we look for him to lead not only by his capacity as a captain, but also in terms of his gameplay. And I call him Mr. Assist, and he has been doing so all summer for the under 20 for Portmore United, and it continues today. I think he have about 3 or 4 assists today, so it's very good to see our captain not only leading from his post, but also in terms of by example and doing what needs to be done on the field.
Marshall, a silky smooth player, not one to kick out at the goal, more to play, make a pass. What's your assessment of his performance so far this season?
I mean, for me, Marshall is a rare find. He's a playmaker that likes to tackle, and that is a plus for him. And hopefully, he can get. In terms of his quality out there, get better and better as the season goes on. This is his first year at this level. He's a 16-year-old, and hopefully he can make his mark in this year's season commission.
All right, coach. Let's hope you're in good game.
Yeah, man. Thanks.